Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable app drawer. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter home screen. Enter home screen layout and select between home and apps screens or home screen only. In order to disable app drawer, select home screen only. Tap apply and it's done. Now let's enable app drawer. So let's go to settings, home screen layout and select home and app screens. Tap apply and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.